Hey guys, it's Ellie, and yes, I got braces. I just got them yesterday, and the reason I'm at this angle, I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial today. It's just going to be an everyday makeup tutorial, and I had to go gymnastics, so that's why I'm wearing this. Let's get to it.
So first of all, I'm going to be washing my face. I wet it first, then I wash it, and I use a charcoal wash. Then I rinse it again. Then I dry my face. You should always pat it because it's better for your skin. Then I go ahead and use toner. Toner is really good for blemishes and cleaning deep in your pores. I use aloe vera as a moisturizer. We get these kind of big bottles full of it, and you pour them into little travel size things. It's really good for your face and natural, and no bad chemicals or anything. Now it's time for the actual makeup. For my foundation, I use Maybelline Fit Me. I actually got this brush for £1. I just found it in one of the aisles and I thought it was cute. I don't know why I keep sticking my tongue out in this video, please forgive me. I tied up my hair because it would get in the way, and I ended up laughing for a few minutes because I thought I looked like a 2-year-old. When putting on foundation, you always want to put some on your jawline and right by your ears and your neck so it looks more natural and blended. I'm using a concealer by L'Oreal Paris. Time for blush. I made the weirdest face. I don't know what I was doing here. Now I'm just applying some chapstick. Now I'm going to use some setting powder to set my face. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of eyeshadow. Here I was trying to look for my brush that's better for blending, but I couldn't find it, so I just used my finger. For mascara, I use Benefit Roller Lash. I ended up putting a little bit of concealer under my eyes just to cover up the mascara.
I've never actually used it before. I just got it yesterday, so I'm gonna have to test it out. It's Elf. It's dewy setting mist, and it smells like coconut. So I'll have to see how it works today. Thank you so much for watching. I just kind of threw this together really quick, so I hope you enjoy it. I didn't have a video to film, so I literally filmed it and I'm uploading it today. I'm gonna edit it. Please like and comment if you enjoyed this, and please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. So thank you for watching. Bye!
Here is a finished result of how it went.